Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. Today we have the June kit from a Graceful Muse Paperie. We're going to set that aside. We have our Hello June. It's the 6th chapter of the year vellum. It's a nice thick vellum. And then we have an extra vellum. This is beautiful. This says Hello Summer, and it is a sailboat and some florals down here, and I'm sure that all of you are looking at that and knowing right where that is, but I don't. So beautiful tropical place, looks like. And then this beautiful paper, and it is gold foiled. Don't know if you can see that. Beautiful dessert. And I don't know, this feels maybe Mediterranean. Let's see what's in her stickers this month. Another beach scene, ocean scene, sailboat. This is our cardboard dashboard. We've got our June calendar with our June headers and things. Okay, so this is called Santorini Sunset. So there you go. This is Santorini. Very pretty. Look at that with the boats. The sunset. Some layering effect. The camera, and these are foiled. Got a drink and dessert. Looking out in the ocean. Flip-flops. And then these birds, oh, that's a fish jumping, and the birds are foiled. They're not part of the illustration. Here are bouquets. What lovely colors. Lavenders and pinks. Santorini. Our large illustrations. Wisteria over the archway there. Large floral edgings. Look how pretty. A gold foil. Her gold foil is very thick and beautiful. And we've got our washi strips. Here are our days of the week. And some extra little headers down there. This month, goals, birthday to do. We've got our thick washi, and these are split. So you have 4 strips on this page. Days of the week, June, hello June, and some numbers. So pretty. And these have a really pale pink background. So we have our days of the week, our split washi, more days of the week and headers, washi, our beautiful large floral edging, large illustrations, Santorini Sunrise, illustrations 2, Illustrations 1, our calendar, our cardboard dashboard, lots of foiling on that, our beautiful paper. I forgot to turn it over. You've got some florals on the back there. It's always two-sided. Our Hello Summer, beautiful vellum with an illustration, and our Hello June. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.